A 90-year-old UK grandmother is the first to receive the Pfizer COVID vaccine. As the UK becomes the first country to roll out the Pfizer-BioNTech Covid-19 vaccine, a 19-year-old Margaret Keenan becomes the first person to receive a dose, receiving the vaccination at a hospital in Coventry, United Kingdom. Britain on Tuesday held the turning point in the fight against the coronavirus pandemic as it begins the biggest vaccination program in the country's history with a new COVID-19 jab. The first person in line on what has been dubbed V-Day, the over 80s, the care home workers, and at-risk frontline health and social care staff will roll up their sleeves for an initial dose from early morning. They will then require a second jab in 21 days' time. Last week, Britain became the first country to approve the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine, raising hopes of a breakthrough in the pandemic, which has killed more than 1.5 million people worldwide. Britain has been one of the worst affected countries in the world, with more than 61,000 deaths in the outbreak from 1.6 million cases. Prime Minister Boris Johnson, who spent days himself in intensive care with COVID-19 earlier this year, called it a huge step forward in the UK's fight against coronavirus. The UK Health Secretary Matt Hancock, who has offered to have the jab vaccination on live television to help public fears, said the rollout was a key moment that would protect the most vulnerable. The head of the state-run National Health Service, or NHS, in England, Simon Stevens, said it was a decisive turning point against the greatest health challenge since the NHS was founded in 1948. Regulatory approval for the vaccine was given last Wednesday, sparking a race against time to prepare scores of vaccination centres across the country. The UK has ordered 40 million doses of the jab, enough to vaccinate 20 million people, with 800,000 in the first batch, and up to 4 million doses are expected by the end of December.